Houston, Texas. Authorities close in on a violent man who has just fled a domestic disturbance.
There's probably 6, 7, 8 cop cars behind him. He's just booking away.
Police hammer down and box him in. But the fugitive refuses to be corralled. He barrels forward and targets an officer.
Oh, he just hit that cop car. There's 2 definitely right behind him. A lot of guys are shutting off the highway so he doesn't hurt anyone else, as he did to that officer in the back.
He takes dead aim at another trooper. But his cop-crushing plan spins him out of control. Cornered, the suspect sees how outnumbered he is, and he doesn't fight. The smashed-up lawmen are treated for minor injuries and for pushing police up against the wall. The renegade will be telling his story to a judge.